Hi students, today we are going to explain about the chapter 3 in social subject, class 4, India physical and political divisions. Okay, welcome to my channel Anu's Tuition. Okay, we will start. The topics which we are going to discuss in this chapter are India physical divisions, India's neighbors, India political divisions. Okay, chapter name is India physical and political divisions. Third chapter in class 4. See here one activity is there. On the given graph, identify and name the 6 physical features marked from 1 to 6. Once we will complete the chapter discussion of this chapter explanation, then we will complete. Okay. Graphically, India is a vast country. It is the 7th largest and the most popular democratic country in the world. Graphically, India is a vast country. It is the 7th place in the largest and the most popular democratic country in the world. It is bounded by the Indian Ocean in the south, the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Great Himalayan ranges in the north. This is the introduction of the India. Okay, graphically, India is a vast country. It is the 7th largest and the most popular democratic country in the world. India is bounded by the Indian Ocean in the south, the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Great Himalayas ranges in the south. Next, India. Next topic is India physical divisions. India is divided into 6 physical divisions. These are, first one, Northern mountains, greatest Indian desert, the coastal plains, the northern plains, the southern plateau, the island regions. The next topic is the northern mountains. The northern mountains include the Himalaya and Karakoram mountain ranges. The northern mountains included the Himalaya and the Karakoram mountain ranges. Okay. Next, the Himalaya range is the highest mountain range in the world. There are many peaks in the mountain range. The Himalaya range is the highest mountain in the world. There are many peaks in the mountain range. Okay. This is the northern mountains. Include the Himalaya and Karakoram mountain ranges. And the Himalaya range is the highest mountain range in the world. This Himalaya range is the highest mountain range in the world. There are many peaks in the mountain ranges. Okay. The peaks of the Himalayas remains covered with snow throughout the year. The peaks of the Himalayan range covered with the snow throughout the year. Okay. The Himalayas form a natural boundary between India and China. The peaks of the Himalayas ranges remain covered with snow throughout the year. The Himalayas form a natural boundary between India and China. Next, Mount Everest in the Himalayas is the highest peak in the world. It is in Nepal and is 8,850 meters in height. Okay, Mount Everest is the Himalayas. In the Himalayas is the highest peak in the world. It is in Nepal and is 8,850 meters in the height. The height of the Mount Everest is 8,850 meters in the height. Next topic, the northern plains. Okay, the northern plains occupy a great part of northern area. They lie between the Himalayas and the South Peninsula. This area is also known as a Gangetic Plain. The northern plains. Here is the northern plains occupy a great part of the northern India. They lie between the Himalayas and the South Peninsula. They lie between the Himalayas and the South Peninsula. This area is known as a Gangetic Plain. Okay, many rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Ravi and Satluj originate from the Himalayas. So many rivers originate from these Himalayas, mainly Ganga, Yamuna, Ravi and Satluj. These are perennial rivers that flow throughout the northern plains and make them fertile. These are perennial rivers that flow through the northern plains and make them fertile. Next topic. Here is one is the group discussion we will discuss here. Work in groups and collect information from your other elders. Why northern plains are called the most fertile region of India. On the basis of your information, discuss with your classmates whether it is true or not. Okay. Next. The Great Indian Desert. A desert is a large area of a land covered with sand. Strong winds carry a large amount of sand with them. The Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert is located in the northwest part of. First we will discuss these three lines. A desert is a large area of land covered with sand. Desert is nothing but it is covered with full of sand. Strong winds carry a large amount of sand with them. Okay. The Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert is located on the northwest part of the of India. Hardly any crops or trees are found in the Thar Desert. The whole of Rajasthan Sindh frontier runs throughout it. Next, the Southern Plateau. Next we are going to discuss about the Southern Plateau. The land which is flat and higher than its surrounding area is called a plateau. First we are giving the meaningful definition of a plateau. The land which is flat and higher than its surrounding area is called a plateau. The Southern Plateau covers a large part of the country. It is triangular in shape. It is broad towards the north and narrows down as we go southwards. It is surrounded by the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east and the Indian Ocean in the south. It covers a large part of the Indian peninsula. The highest plateau in India is Ladakh Plateau in Jammu and Kashmir. Once again I am repeating, the land which is flat and higher than its surrounding area is called a plateau. The Southern Plateau covers a large part of the country. It is a triangular in shape. It is broad towards the north and narrows down as we go southwards. It is surrounded by the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east and the Indian Ocean in the south. It covers a large part of Indian peninsula. Next, the coastal plains. India has a long coastal line. On the west side of India is the west coastal plain and the eastern side is the east coastal plain. Next, these plains stretch for about 6,000 kilometers of the mainland. They are separated from each other by the Deccan Plateau, but they meet each other at the Kanyakumari. The land in the region is very fertile and the climate is neither too cold nor too hot. What is about the meaning of the coastal plains? India has a long coastal plain. On the western side, western coastal plain and the eastern side, eastern coastal plains. These plains stretch over 6,000 kilometers of mainland. They are separated from each other by the Deccan Plateau. Okay, but they meet each other at Kanyakumari. The land in this region is very fertile and the climate is neither too hot nor too cold. Next, the island regions. The island regions. An island is a piece of a land surrounded by walls on all sides. There are many small islands along the two coastal plains. Some of these islands are a part of India. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands is a group of islands in the Bay of Bengal. Another group of islands is the Lakshadweep situated in the Arabian Sea. It is the smallest union territory of India. An island is a piece of a land surrounded by water on the all sides. Its island is nothing but a piece of a land surrounded by water on all sides. There are many small islands along the two coastal plains. Some of these islands are a part of India. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands is a group of islands in the Bay of Bengal. Another group of islands is the Lakshadweep, situated in the Arabian Sea. It is the smallest union territory of India. Next, India's neighbors. India is a subcontinent, is surrounded by some countries which are known as her neighbors. India shares its boundaries with Pakistan in the west, China in the northeast, Nepal in the north, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east, and Sri Lanka and Maldives in the south. These are our neighbor countries. What are the neighbor countries of India? I am naming them here. Boundaries with Pakistan in the west, China in the northeast, Nepal in the north, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east of Sri Lanka and Maldives in the south. Two union territories, the National Capital Territory of India and Puducherry, have their own legislatures. Andaman and Nicobar Island Group is the biggest union territory and Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory of India. Next, every state has its own capital. Rajasthan is the largest state, Goa is the smallest state, Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state and Arunachal Pradesh has the lowest density of population. Next, the variety of land surfaces, physical features and climate affect the eating habits of people and also determine where they choose to live and work. Okay. Next, 7 states of the northeast are called 7 sisters. These are Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Myanmar, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. Each state and union territory has its own capital. The following is the complete list of state and union territories of India with their capitals. Here is the list of a state and their capitals. Okay. Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Rajpur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, West Bengal, Kolkata. These are the capitals of the states and the union territories and their capitals. See here, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Port Blair, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Silvassa, Daman and Diu, Daman, Delhi, Lakshadweep, Kavarati, Puducherry. Here is the important points in this lesson. We will go to discuss. India has a 6 physical divisions. To the north there are northern mountains. To the south of the northern mountains lie the northern plains. The Thar desert covers the northwest part of India. The coastal plains comprise the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep are the 2 main island groups of India. India is the 7th largest country in the world. There are 29 states and 7 union territories. So, okay, the explanation of chapter is over. Now we are going to choose the correct answers. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in the Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean. Answer is the Arabian Sea. The shape of the southern plateau is round, square, triangular. India has dash physical divisions 4, 3, 6. The largest state in India is Rajasthan, Bihar, Punjab. Bihar. The smallest state in India is Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Uttar Pradesh. That is Uttar Pradesh. Fill in the blanks. The central government is headed by Prime Minister. India shares its boundaries with dash in the west, Pakistan. India is bounded by dash in the northern. The coastal plains stretch for about dash kilometers of the mainland, 6,000. The Himalayas from a natural boundary between India and China. Next, here are the blanks. Match the following. We will see here. Peninsula, Southern Plateau. Rajasthan, large state, island, water on the all sides. Assam, Dispur, Uttar Pradesh, densely populated. Okay, next naming the questions. Name the neighboring countries of India. What do you think India was divided into states and union territories? How many union territories are there in India? Name any 4. Write a brief note on northern plains of India. What is an island? Name the 2 main island groups of India. Describe the Indian peninsula. Here is the explanation of chapter India, Physical and Political Divisions. I hope you understand the explanation. If you have any doubt, mention in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share and touch the bell icon. Then you will get the notifications easily. Thanks for watching.